Have you ever bought something, then realized it wasn't the right size?
Don't worry. Let's learn exactly what to say in English.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak with Us. I'm Emma.
And I'm Alex.
Excuse me, I'd like to return this jacket.
Certainly. How can I help you today?
I bought this jacket a few days ago, but it's too small for me.
I'm sorry to hear that. Do you have your receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Let me check your purchase. One moment, please.
Sure.
I found your order. You purchased it 3 days ago. It's still within our return policy.
That's great. Can I exchange it instead of getting a refund?
Of course. What size would you like?
I think a medium will fit better.
Let me check our inventory. Good news. We have one medium jacket in stock.
That's wonderful. May I try it on first?
Absolutely. The fitting rooms are just over there.
Thank you. I'll be back in a moment. This medium size feels much better. It's much more comfortable.
I'm glad it fits you well. Would you like to exchange it for this one?
Yes, please. I really like this jacket.
Excellent. Let me process the exchange for you.
Thank you.
I just need to scan the new jacket.
Sure.
Everything is going smoothly. I noticed the medium size costs $5 more than the small one.
Oh, I didn't realize that. That's okay. I'll pay the difference.
Thank you. The difference is $5 plus tax.
Can I pay by card?
Of course. Card or cash is fine.
I'll use my card.
Please tap or insert your card.
Done.
Your payment has been approved.
Perfect. Does the new jacket come with the same warranty?
Yes, it includes the same warranty and return policy.
That's good to know. What if I change my mind again?
You have 30 days from today. Just keep your receipts and the tags attached.
I'll make sure to keep them.
Great. Here's your new receipt.
Thank you very much. You've been very helpful.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Actually, yes. I saw another jacket in a different color. Could I take a look at it?
Certainly. It's right over here. This jacket comes in black, navy blue, and dark green.
I really like the navy blue one. May I see it?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you. The color looks really nice.
Would you like to try it on?
Yes, I'd love to.
The fitting room is available.
I'll be right back.
Take your time.
I think this one looks even better. What do you think?
It looks great on you. The color suits you very well.
That's exactly what I was hoping to hear. I think I'll choose this one instead.
Excellent choice. I'll update the exchange for you.
Thank you. I really appreciate your patience.
It's my pleasure. Customer satisfaction is very important to us.
That's wonderful. I can definitely see that.
I'll remove the first exchange and process this one instead.
No problem. Thank you for making it so easy.
Everything has been updated successfully. The price is exactly the same. There's nothing extra to pay.
That's even better. I'm very happy with my choice.
I'm glad we found the right jacket for you.
Me too. I think I'm finally ready to take it home.
Perfect. I'll fold it carefully and pack it in a shopping bag.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. I'll have everything ready in just a moment.
Everything is ready. Here's your new jacket. I've also placed your receipt inside the shopping bag.
Thank you. Everything looks perfect.
I'm happy we found the right size and color for you.
Me too. I was worried I wouldn't find the right one today.
Sometimes a simple exchange is all it takes. That's why we're here to help.
I really appreciate your excellent customer service.
Thank you. We always want our customers to leave satisfied.
I'll definitely shop here again.
We'd love to see you again.
Before I go, could you tell me your store hours?
Certainly. We're open from 9 in the morning until 9 at night. We're open 7 days a week.
That's very convenient. And what if I have another problem with something I buy?
Just bring the item back with your receipt. We'll be happy to help you.
That's wonderful. It makes shopping here much easier.
Thank you for choosing our store. Have a fantastic day.
Thank you. You too.
Goodbye.
Before we finish, let's review today's useful expressions. I'd like to return this item.
Do you have your receipt?
I'd like to exchange it for a different size.
May I try it on first?
I'll pay the difference.
Here's your new receipt.
What are your store hours?
Thank you for shopping with us.
Excellent. These are real English expressions you'll hear when returning or exchanging items in a store.
Practice these conversations aloud. The more you practice, the more confident your English will become.
Thanks for learning with Speak With Us. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with a friend who is learning English.
We'll see you in another real-life English conversation. Goodbye and have an amazing day.